Hello third class, good morning, a very good morning third class. This is Poonam Bhatti from Little Angel School and I am your computer teacher, as you know that. Yes. Okay student, so welcome back to the video classes of your computer subject. Okay, so make sure that you have your computer textbook with you with all the time while attending the class. Please take next 5 seconds to keep your book ready. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2 and last 1. Okay, so I hope you all are ready. Yes, I know you all are ready. So students, let's get start with the exercise. Okay, so today we are going to cover the day 2 of your exercise of your chapter 2. Okay, in the previous video we already covered the day 1 exercise of your chapter 2. Now in this video the remaining part of exercise of your chapter 2 has been finished. Okay, now so student, this is your chapter 2, this is your chapter 2 and that is the parts of computer. Okay, in this chapter the exercise are in page number 17, page number 20, page number 23, page number 24, page number 25, page number 26 and last is page number 27. So in the last video, in the previous video of your chapter 2, that we already covered the page number 17, page number 20 and page number 23 exercise. Okay, and in this video we are going to cover the exercise page number 24, page number 25, page number 26 and page number 27. So let's talk about the exercise of your page number 24. Let's get start with the page number 24. Okay, so student, in this page this is the page number 24 and in this page the exercise time will be there. Okay, so give 2 example of each. First part is give 2 example of each. Okay, so first is word processing software. First is word processing software, first one. Okay, the answer is first one Microsoft Word. First answer is Microsoft Word and second is Apple Works. Okay, second question, database software. The example of database software is, yes, Microsoft Access. First example is Microsoft Access and second example is Oracle. Okay, first example of database software is Microsoft Access and second example of database software is Oracle. Okay, and the third is multimedia software. Multimedia software. The first is real player and second is window media player. Real media player and window media player. Okay, so I will show the answer of these question in the next slide. Firstly, we have to cover this page. The B part is write the full form of following abbreviations. Okay, following आपको कुछ ये टॉपिक्स दे रखे हैं, आपको इनके फुल फॉर्म्स लिखनी है. तो फर्स्ट इज CPU and I know very well you know about the CPU. You heard about the CPU na? So what is the full form of CPU? Yes, CPU is the central processing unit. CPU is the central processing unit. ठीक है. Second one, that is the ALU. ALU, what is the full form of ALU? ALU is the arithmetic logic unit. ALU, that means arithmetic logic unit. Okay. Third is ROM. ROM, ROM, that is the read only memory. That is the read only memory. Fourth is RAM. RAM, RAM, that is the random access memory. That is the random access memory. Okay. Fifth is CD-ROM. What is the full form of CD-ROM? that is the compact disk read only memory. Okay, because ROM, that is the compact disk read only memory. So I will show these answer in the next slides. Okay, मैं इनके आंसर आपको next slides में दिखाती हूँ. So student, these are the answer of previous slides. Okay, so give 2 example of each. Word processing software, that is the Microsoft Word, Apple Works. Second, database software, that is the Microsoft Access and Oracle. Third, multimedia software, that is the Real Player and Window Media Player. And second B part answer is write the full form of following. First is CPU, that is the Central Processing Unit. Second is ALU, that is the Arithmetic Logic Unit. ROM, read only memory. RAM, random access memory. And last one is CD-ROM, that is the compact disk read only memory. Okay, so let's learn or let's do the page number 25. So this is the page number 25 exercise, and there will be the 3 exercises are there, C, D and E, and C part is choose the correct answer. Okay, so in this first is instructions and commands given to a computer or called, जो भी हम instructions देते हैं and commands देते हैं कंप्यूटर को, वो क्या कहलाते हैं? That is called the software. Okay, that is called the software. So answer is B. A software cannot be touched. A software cannot be touched. Third, that is a word processing software. So there are 2 answer. Okay, first is MS Word and second one is Apple Works. Okay, तो दोनों ऑप्शंस हैं आपके, आप दोनों ऑप्शंस पर टिक कर लीजिए. ठीक है, जब भी एग्ज़ाम में कभी आएगा तो फर्दर मैं आपको एग्ज़ाम में एक ही ऑप्शन दूंगी आंसर में. ओके, कोई भी एक राइट ऑप्शन दूंगी इनमें से आंसर में. ओके, आपकी बुक में ये दोनों आंसर करेक्ट है, इसलिए मैंने आपको दोनों आंसर इसके टिक करवाए हैं. ओके, फोर्थ इज दैट इज़ द मेन सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर दैट हेल्प्स इट टू रन एंड परफॉर्म ऑल इट्स टास्क. ओके, ये एक मेन सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम है जो कि कंप्यूटर को हेल्प करता है रन करने में, परफॉर्म करने में सारे टास्क को. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एक सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम है. ठीक है, फिफ्थ आंसर फर्स्ट में सॉफ्टवेयर, सेकंड में टास्क, थर्ड में दोनों ऑप्शंस हैं, फोर्थ में सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड फिफ्थ में डैश कंट्रोल द ट्रांसफर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेसर. ओके, दैट कंट्रोल द ट्रांसफर ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेसर टू द अदर, दैट इज द CPU, दैट इज द कंट्रोल यूनिट. आंसर इज कंट्रोल यूनिट, आंसर इज A part. Okay, so I will show the answer of this slide in the next slide. Okay, मैं इस स्लाइड की आंसर आपको नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में शो करती हूँ. ओके, so student, these are the answer of the previous slides. ठीक है, I will show this answer. Okay, so बेटा जी देखिए यहाँ पे फर्स्ट आंसर में यहाँ क्रॉस लग गया था मुझसे बाय मिस्टेक, तो आप इस पर ध्यान नहीं देंगे. आंसर टिक वाले हैं जो मैंने टिक कर रखे हैं. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट में सॉफ्टवेयर है आंसर, दिस वन. सेकंड में टास्क, थर्ड में ये दोनों ही आंसर हैं आपके, MS Word एंड एप्पल वर्क्स. फोर्थ आंसर इज सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड फिफ्थ इज कंट्रोल यूनिट. ओके, तो दीज आर द आंसर. ये आंसर नहीं है. ओके, ये बाय मिस्टेक मुझसे टिक हो गया था. ठीक है, ओके, सो लेट्स कम इन द नेक्स्ट slide, that is the page number 25. Yes, these are the page number, this is the page number 25th also. Okay, as in this page fill in the blanks are there. So first is dash is visible outside the CPU. Dash is visible outside the CPU. Yes, tell me. Yes, very good. So monitor is visible outside the CPU. Okay, so answer is monitor. Answer is monitor. Okay. Second is the physical part of computer or called हार्डवेयर. जो भी फिजिकल पार्ट होते हैं वो हार्डवेयर होते हैं, और जो भी आपके नॉन फिजिकल पार्ट होते हैं जिन्हें आप टच और फील नहीं कर सकते वो आपके सॉफ्टवेयर पार्ट्स होते हैं. ओके. सो फिजिकल पार्ट जिसे हम टच कर सकते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड दी हार्डवेयर. ओके. नाउ थर्ड इज some hardware part such as motherboard and SMPS are inside the CPU. motherboard and SMPS ये आपके CPU के अंदर होते हैं, तो आंसर इज CPU. ओके. फोर्थ इज डैश इज द सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस गिवन टू ए कंप्यूटर. डैश इज द सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस गिवन टू ए कंप्यूटर. यस, software is a set of instruction given to a computer. Okay. Now next is MS Paint and MS Word are the example of application software. क्योंकि MS ऑफिस ही आपका एक एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है. एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होते हैं आपके, जो एक स्पेसिफिक टास्क परफॉर्म करते हैं. तो MS Paint और MS Word एक स्पेसिफिक टास्क है जो कि परफॉर्म हो रहा है. ओके. सो इसे हम बोलते हैं एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके. So I will show these answer in the next slides. These are the answer of the previous slides. Monitor is visible outside the CPU. The physical part of a computer are called hardware. The some hardware parts such as motherboard and SMPS are inside the CPU. Software is the set of instruction given to the computer, and MS Paint and MS Word are the example of application software. Okay. So let's talk about the next exercise of the same page. So student, this is the page number 25th exercise also, and the true false are there. The first true false, the longest key on a keyboard is the shift key. The answer is false because the longest key on a keyboard is the spacebar key. So answer is false. There are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard. Yes, there are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard. Okay, so answer is true. The picture of LED monitor are clearer than LCD and CRT monitor. Yes, true, because the LED monitor are very clear, has a very clear pictures. Okay. MS Access is a system software. No, MS Access is a application software. So answer is false. And fifth is MS Access is a application software. Yes, MS Access is a part of MS Office, so it is a application software. So I will show this answer of this slide in the next slide. Okay. So student, these are the answer of the previous slides. So first answer is false, second answer is true, third is true, fourth is false, and last is true. Okay. So let's come the exercise of page number 26. Okay. So student, this is the page number 26. पेज नंबर 25 में क्वेश्चंस आंसर हैं. ओके. फॉलोइंग द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस, तो वो उसके आंसर मैं आपको LMS पर सेंड कर दूँगी. ओके. सो दिस इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू एक्सप्लेन इन द वीडियो क्लासेस, सो मैं LMS पर एप्लीकेशन पर उनके आंसर सेंड कर दूँगी. ठीक है. नाउ द पेज नंबर 26 एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट इज काउंट द कीज़. So there are some keys and you have to count these keys and write down the answer in the given box. Write the total number of the following types of key in a keyboard. The first key is functions key. So how many functions keys are there? Yes, 12 function key, F1 to F12. So answer is 12. Second is alphabet key. How many alphabet keys are there? 26. A to Z, that is the 26 alphabet keys. Answer is 26. How many number keys are there? That is the 10. Answer is 10 because 0 to 9 keys are present on keyboards. Arrow keys are 4 keys. The answer is 4 because 4 arrow key are there, right, left, up and down arrow key. Okay. Enter key, the 2 enter key are there on the keyboard, so answer is 2. Controls key, the 2 controls key are present on the keyboard, so answer is 2. So I will show the answer of these number of keys in the next slides. These are the answer of the previous slide. Function key is 12 alphabet key is 26, number key is 10, arrow keys is 4, enter key is 2 and control key is 2. Okay, so let's come in the next exercise, page number 26 exercise, that is okay. This is the exercise of page number 26 also. Here is some clues are there and you have to write the name of these key. You have to write the name of keys with the help of this clue. The first clue is it helps us to move the cursor ahead by one space. So answer is yes, space bar. Answer is space bar. We press this key to type a letter in uppercase. Yes, answer is shift key. Answer is shift key. We can type capital letter by pressing this key. तो कैपिटल लेटर इसके लिए कौन सी की यूज करते हैं? कैप्स लॉक की. तो आंसर इज कैप्स लॉक की. दिस की हेल्प अस टू मूव द कर्सर टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. तो कौन सी की आप प्रेस करते हैं नेक्स्ट लाइन में आने के लिए? यस, एंटर की. आंसर इज एंटर की. सो आई विल शो दीज, आई विल शो of the answer of this slide in the next slide. Okay, so these are the answer of the previous slides. First answer is space bar key, second answer is shift key, third is caps lock key and last answer is enter key. Okay, so these are the answer of the previous slide. I already told you the answer by the verbally. Okay, now the coming next exercise, which is also in page number 26, word search puzzles. Have you seen these word search puzzles? You have to find out some words in these puzzles. Okay, circle 8 hardware parts of computer in the following grid. तो आपको एक ग्रिड दिया हुआ है, आपको पजल दिया हुआ है, आपको 8 हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स. हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? लाइक इनपुट, कीबोर्ड, माउस, समथिंग लाइक दैट. आपको फिर 8 हार्डवेयर पार्ट्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं एंड उनको सर्कल करना है. ओके, एंड हिंट आपको दे रखा है, 1 लेटर ऑफ ईच पार्ट इज बी बोल्ड. हर पार्ट का एक फर्स्ट लेटर जो है 1 लेटर है वो आपको बोल्ड करके दिखा रखा है. ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो आंसर ऑफ दिस स्लाइड इज, तो फर्स्ट इज रोम, सेकेंड इज CPU, थर्ड इज मॉनिटर, I repeat, first is ROM, this one, second is CPU, okay, third is mouse, okay, fourth is monitor, fifth is keyboard and last is CDO. And one more over there, RAM and CDO. Okay, one more is there, SMPS. These are the answer of the previous slides. So students, so today we had to finish the exercise of chapter 2. Okay, so it's time to homework. You have to learn the page number 17 and page number 20 exercise. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. स्वदेशी अपनाओ, देश बचाओ. Bye bye students.